Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So I'm going to show you first how to block someone. So in case that someone is annoying you or you want to avoid this person or you want to avoid any transaction or conversation with this person, and all you have to do is to search the person's name, go to his or her profile, and then tap this three dots right here. Then you will see the option block. And all you have to do is to click this one in order for you to block this person. So you will be notified about this. Okay, so the advantages of blocking someone. So tap confirm and then your page will refresh and obviously you can't see anything from this person. Okay, so you can see it under blocking. You can also adjust and do some settings here if you want. Okay, so you can manage your blocking here. So let's just say you want to unblock that person and then you forgot that person's name, or maybe that person changed his or her Facebook name. What you're going to do is you just have to simply tap your profile at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you have to click settings. And then here you will see some options on the left side. You can look for blocking, you can search. But actually, because this is the most visited settings for me, then I can see it right here. So tap blocking, or if you can't see that here, then you can just simply search for blocking. Okay. So tap blocking right here. And then as you can see, this is what I showed you earlier. So what you're going to do is you just have to look for blocked, and then you can see it there, the list of the people you have blocked. You can even add an account to block if you want to add someone. So in order for you to unblock someone, all you have to do is to click this unblock button right here. Okay. So once you tap this unblock button, then you will see the advantages of unblocking someone. Of course, you will have more conversation, more transaction, but actually you can't add this person right away after you unblock. Okay. So you have to wait for like a couple of hours in order for you to add this person again. But this is how you basically unblock someone after you block him or her and you forgot his or her name. Okay, so you just have to go to blocking or manage blocking here and then look for block and then look for the block list here, and all you have to do is to tap unblock. As easy as that. So I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. This is how you unblock someone on Facebook. See you again in our next video tutorials.